Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are, and welcome to today's webinar, Accomplish More with iMicron's Cloud Marketplace. So before we get started, I'd like to go over a few items so you know how to participate in today's event. We have taken a screenshot of an example of attendee interface. You should see something that looks like this on your own computer desktop in the upper right corner. You are listening in using your computer speaker system by default. If you would prefer to join over the phone, just select telephone in the audio pane and the dial-in information will be displayed. You will have the opportunity to submit the text questions to today's presenters by typing your questions into the questions pane of the control panel. You may send in your questions at any time during the presentation, and we will collect these and address them during the question and answer session at the end of today's presentation. I wanted to take a few minutes of your time and would like to introduce about Techwave before we move into the webinar. Techwave is a globally trusted strategic partner that provides end-to-end IT services and solutions through co-innovation and thought leadership by leveraging industry's best practices. We are headquartered in Exton, Pennsylvania, USA. Our agile and collaborative approach makes us a right-sized partner in the industry, and we have long-standing clients, and our client retention rate is 100%. We are now spread globally with strong presence in North America, Asia Pacific, Europe, Middle East, South Africa, helping more than 450 satisfied clients with our value-added services. And we have strong alliances with leading software vendors to deliver most innovative and market-ready solutions. And we are also an ISO certified company. We are ranked number 9 among fastest growing companies in the region by Philadelphia Business Journal and number 15 in IT services domain in USA by Inc. 500. We have also been featured in a lot of magazines like Forbes, Business Journals, Inc. 500, CFO.com, and so on and so forth. So here is an overview of our services. We provide end-to-end IT services and solutions, and we mainly concentrate on 4 core offerings, which includes analytics, digital, IoT, and cloud. Today we would be covering one of the topics from cloud offerings, that is cloud brokerage platform. iMicron Cloud Marketplace, a platform of Techwave's cloud offerings. So Techwave's acquisition of iMicron provides extended services for our clients. Being one of the fastest growing companies, customers will benefit from improved product, services, and innovation. Likewise, the new services we bring through Techwave would enable us to deliver one of the broadest and most unique model within the present IT industry. To give a brief introduction about iMicron, it is a cloud solution providing company. We are headquartered in Hyderabad, India, having presence across the globe. The iMicron story has started as an effort to provide complete cloud solutions to end users at one place. Cloud buyers face challenges like lowering the cost of IT expenses, raising capacities, managing multiple clouds, managing multiple cloud invoices, and their support. So we understand the needs for a unique global cloud marketplace to benefit individuals, startups, and any small or large enterprises. iMicron's environment optimizes our offerings of cloud infrastructure and services with our user-friendly platform for buying cloud. Techwave's specialization in cloud services makes us a step ahead for the usual cloud marketplace existing in the market. So we pioneer in providing the cloud computing solutions to our esteemed customers and help them reduce their major IT infrastructure cost. Yes, we are growing. We have global offices spread over 4 continents, 15 plus and growing CSPs. We have 100 plus data centers, 2000 plus configurations, and we spread over 26 countries. So here is the overview of iMicron Cloud Marketplace, and at end of this presentation, you will be knowing how iMicron's cloud marketplace can enhance your business requirements and how the new features improved the marketplace model, and you will be knowing an overview of future release roadmap. Now I would like to introduce today's presenters. You will be hearing a presentation from Sridevi Voleti, Product Head at iMicron, and Govardhan Srinivas, the Technical Architect at iMicron. So Sridevi has over 16 years of experience in application rollouts in e-commerce, mobility, and finance. Over the past years, Voleti has helped launch mobile and tablet sites for leading customers in fashion, media, and entertainment and charitable trust, delivering best-in-class products and services at the user's fingertips. At Techwave, she heads Techwave's flagship product, iMicron Cloud Marketplace. So Govardhan has over 13 years of experience in digital and web development, web application technologies. He has been a key player in launching and upgrading applications to adopt new technology solutions. At Techwave, he leads the technology for iMicron. And I am Priyanka Sanduri. I am marketing manager at Techwave, and I take care of all marketing activities at Techwave, and I will be your moderator for today's webinar. Now I would like to hand it over to today's speakers to introduce themselves and get started with today's webinar. Sridevi and Govardhan, over to you.
Thank you very much, Priyanka, for the brilliant introduction of Techwave and iMicron, and also introducing us. Thank you very much, all the attendees, for joining this webinar, for taking time out. I'm glad to have you here, and I'm very proud to present the marketplace.
Yeah, thank you, Priya.
So I think without wasting any time, let's get into the marketplace. I'm very, very excited to show you our iMicron. iMicron is a trusted cloud partner. We provide cloud solutions, virtualization solutions, and the cloud data centers. And of course, along with the operations and maintenance and the ancillary services. In today's webinar, we will discover the new marketplace. We will see how the marketplace can help all of your different users and how we can address your various needs. We will identify the differentiating features in the iMicron's marketplace that will help you extensively. And of course, we have got an enhanced My Account by which any user can operate, have got lots of control at his fingertips. You will learn how to enhance your business requirements, and of course, on the new features. I will give you a peek into the future roadmap for iMicron Cloud. So we also give you an assertion on our commitment to the cloud marketplace and our strength and our commitment to ensure that all our customers are serviced end to end. Okay. What's new in our new marketplace? Okay. We have extensively designed the UI UX. We have worked on the intelligent recommendation engines. Engines, of course, and on the My Account. The application has been engineered heavily to ensure your user experience on iMicron Cloud is a quick and a smooth one. The intelligent recommendation engines take care of your questions and then provide you best solutions that are available either out of the box or give you customized solutions. We want to talk about different users. All of you users can come from different backgrounds. You have different needs. You have different moving needs as your business grows, or you may want to start a new business and then you want to start small. Our new marketplace takes care of all kinds of users like you. You could be an entrepreneur, or you could be a pro user who has been using cloud machines for a while. You need a complex machine and you are having difficulty in finding the right one, or you also may have your infra running on cloud already. You may be looking for options to make a choice to move to another service provider. you will be able to find solutions for all these problems on the iMicron's cloud marketplace. Which means for different customer segments, if you are a professional user, you can use our quick provision. For startups, you could use a startup. For expert advice on specific needs, you can use our consult. And of course, if you are on iMicron as a member, you've got an extensive My Account. The new marketplace provides a full shopping cart experience, which makes you feel at home, and you can buy the service on the cloud in just a matter of few clicks. Not only that, we also have an iPhone app for all iMicron users, which means you can just with one click you can look at your dashboard, you can start and stop your service while on the go, you can view your payments, the dues, and optimize your billing by operating your iPhone app itself. Now let us get into the details on how you can use the marketplace. Govardhan will help us in walking you through the marketplace. Govardhan?
Yeah. Thank you, Sridevi. Let's open the iMicroncloud.com.
Okay, here you go. So let's start iMicron Cloud Marketplace and let's work on it.
Yeah. So quick provision follows the CCP model. Choose, compare, purchase very quickly. Here I have more than 10 filters to narrow down my choices. The filters include CPU speed, CPU count, data center location, choice of CSP, and OS platform. So based on these filters, here I am getting the results. I am adding one item to cart.
Just hold on a second. Let me operate this for you while you are speaking.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, let me go and add to cart here, and then I will continue to cart.
Yeah. I am proceeding the cart to checkout. So till now I didn't log into the iMicron system. So I am logging to my system with my credentials. So go to the cart.
Okay, so let's try this one. Just hold on a second for me. Let me minimize a few windows so we can see the screen effectively. Yeah, let's go and add to cart. Then continue to cart, and then we go and proceed to pay. Okay.
Once I click on pay button, my credit card will get charged now. So let me see how my dashboard, my servers are doing right now.
Okay.
So I want to see the my account. So I'm going to my dashboard screen here.
Okay. So let me just resize the windows a bit so we can do it. Okay. Yeah. So where do you want to go now?
Yeah, my account.
Okay.
So here I'm seeing all my servers. So few servers already provisioned, and a few servers already deleted, and few servers presently in progress.
Yeah. So then, okay, this looks very nice. So which means that this dashboard actually is allowing all the users to have a snapshot of their account, which means that I can see what my servers are doing and the information about them here. Yeah.
Yep, correct.
Yeah. And what is this activity stream?
The activity stream is the current activity what we are performing on the cloud server. So This will come under the activity stream here.
Okay, very nice. So, and I can see some buttons on the with using stop and all.
Yeah, correct. So whenever the user wants to performing the, stopping the server, at the time he can click on the stop button.
Okay, so which means these are this dashboard is allowing users to operate their servers at a click of a button on the dashboard itself.
Correct.
Oh, okay, so the server got stopped right now.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. Then I can actually start the machine again on the cloud itself.
Yeah.
And what is nine says, we can do the same actions on using our iPhone app as well, isn't
Correct.
it?
Correct.
Oh, okay. Now, as you know, now these filters actually will be useful in figuring out and then narrowing down to your account. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what more are there on the dashboard in our account?
So here we have more options. So here I'm gonna to show the invoices.
Oh, so which means all users can access their invoices using their My Account itself. And I see a Pay Now button. Does that mean that we can pay on the invoices online on iMicron Cloud itself?
Correct. So the user can download and can see the what is the how many servers we provisioned and what is the billing. Everything he can view from here itself.
Okay. And then they can pay and then move on. What more?
So, and also the transaction history. So in the transaction history, the user can see all the past history payments, and also we have few other more options. Payment information. The user can manage his credit cards here. He can add and he can delete. And also one more useful, the screen is inbox. So basically this screen is mainly using for ticketing system. Whenever the user receives any ticket, so he can view from the screen itself.
Okay, so which means all the support, the user support can be done using our My Account, and
Yes.
users can actually track their tickets to the that they have placed on the iMicron support, and they will be able to get a trace of what the status of the tickets as well. Isn't it?
Correct.
Okay, nice. Yeah, and of course, the iMicron Cloud Marketplace uses payment gateways for payments, which means all the users need to have their credit card information created. So, this is where.
Yeah, all the credit cards he can manage. He can add few more credit cards and he can delete the existing credit cards. Everything he can do from this page itself.
Okay, nice. Okay, to help the users to be aware, the credit card information is not stored in the iMicron Cloud platform.
It won't store them.
Okay, so and the information is passed through the payment gateway.
Correct.
Okay, yeah. So which means our application does not store any sensitive information of the users. So our users can feel safe using our marketplace.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back to the dashboard, and we will see how things go from there. Okay, Govardhan. Now I'm looking for a machine to host my data applications. I think we have got nice user interfaces experience to help us in finding machines for specific needs, or even when users do not know much about it. So shall we discuss that?
Yeah, sure. So here I'm going to show the startup.
Okay. Yes.
So here I selected startup. So basically this startup is mainly using for whenever the user wants some recommendations, which is something related. He wants some high-speed configured server. So at the time, basically, it will help us. Okay, Sridevi, if you want, so if you want any
Data
application, so here I have few questions. Can you please answer? The first question is location of the target users.
Okay, so for my applications, I'm looking for Americas.
Okay. And the coming question is, what is the security level required for high means the box is not shared with the other business, medium means the box shared with data protection.
Okay, I might require medium.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I think medium is good enough for my need.
Okay. And what kind of the application are you like to host?
I have research projects.
Nice.
I think that would be useful.
Okay. And what kind of the computing power you need?
Okay, the data applications require high CPU, high number of CPUs, and yeah, probably about
Okay.
RAM also is a higher one. Yep.
Okay. What kind of the software licenses? So that means you want to use your own license, or you would like to Techwave license required?
I'll use my own license.
Okay. How would you like the servers to be maintained? So it's managed by yourself, or you want to manage by Techwave?
I'll manage myself.
Okay. So based on these questions, here I'm trying to find out the few recommendations. So here the iMicron Intelligent Recommender provides three ranges of cloud servers. So one is small, medium, and large. So in the large range, there is a 16 2 GHz CPUs and 32 GB RAM with 60 GB hard disk, which was located in the standard 2012 R2. And coming to the medium range, so it's recommending 8 2 GHz CPUs and 16 GB RAM with 20 GB hard disk space, which was located in Amsterdam. And coming to the small range, that's a 1 GHz CPUs and 8 GB RAM with 20 GB disk space, which was located in the Amsterdam. So you can choose any one of the these ranges and cloud server ranges, which is recommended by the iMicron recommender.
Okay, so this is nice, which means that the recommender engine is intelligently trying to understand my needs, and then after that it is going through the complete catalog of products that are available and offering the user with a set of the infra that he can choose from.
Okay.
Okay, nice. With this recommender engine, once we are done, now sometimes I come across users who do not fit into this recommender logic. That means they may not find the right workload that they are looking for. Their needs could be very bespoke. Then
Okay.
how does it work?
So for that, you need to go to the consult. So in the consult, we will help you based on your requirement.
Okay, so which means we are offering the consulting services across various types of offerings that we have got. We do managed services, we do DevOps, migrations, cloud infra services, of course, and big data and advisory services, which means using this form, the users can choose the features that they are looking for and then ask for a free consultation. Our experts will contact the users immediately and help address their needs. Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much, Govardhan.
Thank you.
Okay, so now continuing our conversation on the iMicron's marketplace, we covered recommenders. We have got consulting services and managed services. So as part of our consulting services, we do a lot of we offer complete solutions on DevOps, on migrations, the cloud infra services, and big data. The main idea is using our iMicron cloud services across cloud service providers. You will be able to pick and choose any of these options, and all of these services are cloud agnostic, which means you can choose to have your Git or Jenkins servers in PC Extreme, while you would want to have your big data in a different, let us say, an Interroute or on the IBM soft layer. We are in a position to bundle you all the platform as a service offerings and also a cloud infra, while not tying up any of the offerings with a service. That gives a lot of flexibility for you users. You might find a best price point and also in a virtual machine which is closer to your target end users. And at the same time, you can also build these platform managed services on those virtual machines. You get the best of both worlds. Yeah, and as I spoke earlier, in case of managed services, we've got operations center. We do end-to-end service management by virtualization, backup, storage, sitting on top of the cloud. And of course, this support is across devices, networks, service, and customer layers, which means irrespective of how many cloud service providers we are offering to you, for you and the customer, it is a one-stop shop. You come to iMicron Cloud and you raise your queries, you raise your requests, you provision your virtual machines. iMicron Cloud Marketplace gives you one single invoice and one single window for all your needs, including support and managed services. Okay, so this is the marketplace that we have got today. I'm very excited. I'm very proud to present the new marketplace. Not only that, now I am keen on presenting to you what is in future for iMicron Cloud Marketplace. What is it that we are planning for our users so that they can adapt and adopt all the new technologies that are coming up in this field on the new and continue to use them on our iMicron Cloud Marketplace. We are actively working on bringing big data platforms, the validation services, and of course SAP on Cloud will be part of our platform as a service offering in the near future. And as part of our marketplace extensions, we would want to onboard more resellers, and there are many more B2C extensions that we want to provide to our marketplace customers. We do understand how much the users are adopting social media as a channel for conversations, as a media channel for communication, and we know that commerce is actively picking up in these social media conversations. So iMicron Cloud is adopting the new technologies and then working on chatbots. So we would want to extend our users to use our services not only via web and mobile, but also via the chatbots. We are committed to expanding our reach to our customers. So we are extending our current mobile application from iPhone, and we will add Android also into the repertoire quickly. We are onboarding more CSPs. We are actively working in signing up more service providers so that the marketplace has offers extended catalog to our customers. We are very, very keen on getting closer to our customers. Okay, so that's all I have got. Priyanka?
Yep. Yes, Sridhar.
Yeah, so this is about the marketplace. We have tried and covered the marketplace. We are looking at we are offering users to a lot of choices at their fingertips. We have helped users understand how they can manage the workloads, they can find the right workloads, and use our full support systems for managed services, and use our consult services via customized solutions. We have tried to cover these points in our webinar today. Over to you, Priyanka.
Thank you, Sridevi. Thank you, Govardhan. And the session was really informative. I hope everyone got good insights on our iMicron Cloud Marketplace. So I think now we are going to begin answering the questions submitted during today's presentation. So as a reminder, you can still submit the questions through the questions pane in your control panel. So I'm just checking the questions which we received today, Sridevi and Govardhan. So the first question which we received is that, where does iMicron Cloud Marketplace stand in comparison to the other providers?
Okay, that's a good question. We have got a lot of providers. We have the advantage with marketplace is that it is a one-stop. People can choose multiple workloads from a single marketplace rather than going from one platform, one provider to another provider. That's the main advantage that we offer. And there are a few more that I can think of. Let me tell you. There are some things like, this is giving you a lot of comparison of cloud offerings across the marketplace, which means as you are searching and filtering through the infrastructure, you can compare the prices for each given by each service provider for the same workloads and then pick and choose. And there are the cloud workloads at different regions. There is not, we don't charge for any data transfer across regions. There's dedicated account management as well. And one more important is that we offer disaster recovery across between CSPs very easily. So that is our differentiating factor. We offer these features on the marketplace, and I think this set of features are very unique to marketplace, Priyanka.
Wow, perfect. Yeah, so moving to the next question, is there any commitment to the cloud marketplace when you sign up?
No. We do not expect any kind of sign up or a mandatory sign up period from our users. Users are free to sign up and opt out at any given point in time.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Other question is that, what if my cloud service provider is not part of your network like Microsoft or Amazon?
Okay, that's an interesting question. We are actively signing up with all the new service providers. So in case any of the customers have got a cloud service provider that he is interested in, we can actively look at that service provider and onboard him into the marketplace.
Okay.
We are also actively working on adding Amazon and Azure into our marketplace also today. So we will soon be adding them into our list.
Okay. Yep. So moving to the next question is that, is there a mobile app for Android users?
Okay, not today, but it is very much in the cards. It will come up in the future versions soon.
Okay, hope we got to see that soon.
Yes, I'm excited about it.
Yeah. So yes, just still a reminder for all the attendees, they can still submit their questions, and I can actually question them to presenters so they can get clear understanding of what they actually looking for. So moving to the next question, I have received a few more questions right now. So Devi, the other question is that how can I extend capacity of machine?
We can do. Our management services will take care of this, but it's typically based on the cloud service provider specific SLAs.
Okay, okay. Thanks, Govardhan. Thanks. So other question is that a user has a question on, okay, I got IP address, but I'm not able to connect to my cloud server. He has a problem with that.
Okay. So user can go inside the My Dashboard. There we can find the tickets section. So there user can raise the service ticket there.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, so moving to the next question. So I'm not able to restart my password. Hope, yep. Govardhan, the question was that I'm not able to reset my password. The main thing everyone faces.
Okay.
Yeah, for this kind of question also we need to raise a ticket in the ticket section. Our support team will get back instantly to the customer directly.
Oh, good service. Yeah, thanks. So other question is that after I have purchased server in iMicron, how much time it will take server availability?
Yeah, for this user can get notification on the website itself once the service provisioned successfully.
Okay. And I think typically on an average, our CSPs provision servers in about 15-20 minutes, and some of them do it in real time as well. So all the services are provisioned really instantly.
Okay, okay, nice. So other question is, can I use existing logins?
Oh yeah, yes. All the users of current iMicron Cloud Marketplace can use their existing logins to get into the new marketplace. No changes.
Oh, okay, okay. So other question is that I am not able to find my required configuration cloud machine.
Okay. So if I understand you correctly, Priyanka, the user has got some specific configuration which he can't find it as an out of the box product in iMicron Cloud. In that case, the users can use our consult feature and go there and then put in their custom requirement. It will go through our expert team. They will understand the customer's need and what is the kind of configuration and what are his service needs, and will propose a solution that is best suited for him.
Okay, okay, perfect. I think I'm taking the last question for today's session as of now. So the last question is that do I need separate account for mobile apps?
No. The mobile app uses the same account as Marketplace. So the users can use the same credentials to log into the mobile app as well. And the same thing will continue for the mobile app irrespective of whether it is iPhone app or Android app. It is the Marketplace has got a single sign-on all over.
Okay. Okay, that's it from the questions perspective. So I think we came to an end of the session. So Sridevi or Govardhan, would you like to add anything onto the session?
Yeah, I think it is very nice. Thanks, Priyanka, for moderating this session. It is a good opportunity for iMicron team to present the marketplace capabilities to all our users. And I hope that all our users will use iMicron Cloud Marketplace extensively. And they can always reach out to us using support@imicron.com of any issues or feedback or any questions they have got. We are more than happy to answer, or they can reach out to me at sridevi.volati@techwave.net.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Sridevi. Thank you, Govardhan. It was really an informative session, and thank you everyone for attending today's webinar. If you have any other questions, please contact us at sridevi.volati@techwave.net anytime. Sridevi can let you know the questions, the answers. She's available anytime to reply you back. So once you leave today's webinar, you will receive a link to view a recording of today's webinar within 24 to 48 hours. On behalf of Techwave and our presenters, thank you for joining us today and have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, Sridevi. Thanks, Govardhan. Good day.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.